The other word. Top
buttocks.
and... Top and...
Top and bottom.
Yes.
Your head right in a there. Look great.
The one thing you won't be is a frame. We tried that once. Took 2 hours.
OK, Darren and Natalie, if you'd like to take your places in front of the wall. OK, you ready, Phil? Your time starts now.
OK, Rocket Man.
Oh, Elton John.
There we go. Boom. In Egypt.
Egypt, yeah.
Pharaoh.
Triangle.
Pyramid.
There we go. Yeah, man. American rapper, female.
Yes.
Sings.
Maybe 40, but she's about 40-ish now. She's not young.
This is killing me.
I know. It's also killing me. Please. I'm not so dead. I'm dying.
Next one.
I'm dead, Darren. I've died.
Oh, look at this.
But rum.
Yeah. The other one.
The other word. Top and...
buttocks.
Top and...
Top and bottom.
Yes.
Your head right in an arse there. Look great. Meow.
Cat.
There we go.
Oh, Missy Elliott.
Well done. Babies. Poo.
Natty.
There we go.
Well done. Please make your way back to your seats. OK, well done to Darren Singh. You scored 5. So, Alan, you're going to be playing for your team. Do you think you can beat their score?
Oh, I hope so.
OK, Alan, take your head, take it over there, pop it through the hole. And Cariad and Larry, if you'd like to take your places in front of the wall. Let's see if you can do better than Darren's team.
Oh, OK.
And your time starts now.
Oh, you spray on... It smells nice.
Perfume.
But it is in a...
Bottle. Jar.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the thing, you eat it, loads of people hate it, it's green, it's usually
Courgette.
healthy.
Looks like a tree.
Cabbage.
Looks
Broccoli.
like a tree. Oh, she was in a... She won the Oscar and wearing a pink dress. That's all I can think of. Goop. Cupping.
Gwyneth Paltrow.
Yes. Sisters, tennis.
Serena Venus Williams.
Yes.
Harry Potter, I think.
Yes, and if we were to kill you, you would come back to life.
Daniel Radcliffe.
I'm pretty sure...
The creature.
Oh, Voldemort.
No,
it's the thing with... I'm pointing at my face, thanks very much. The point, what's it called? The heel stuff.
Oh, you're out of time. OK.
Prizes from the action!